If money is the only driving factor for your job, imagine how frustrating you're going to be in your life. Salary is getting credited in the account how many days in a month? Once in a month. That means 30 days you'll be unhappy. Is that what you want to do? That is what I mean to say. At least there should be some satisfaction. What I said, 30% salary satisfaction everybody needs. I'm not denying. I also want a lot of money, to be honest. I'm not against money, boss. I want to be rich. But then I understood money is an outcome. It cannot be the goal. Money can be made in an area of passion if you can monetize your passion. The word I would use is monetize your passion. Find your passion, then add value to it. You will eventually make money out of it. Yes. But again, having said that, skills has to be mastered. What are those skill sets? Communication skill, leadership skill, team development, conflict handling. These are the common skills which you have to master. On top of it, your technical skill, and that's where PIM comes into picture. How to clear confusion, like I don't know what should I do. I start something and leave very soon. Your reason of starting is not right. Give me one example which you started recently and you let go.
I think that I can do everything, but like अब सब सारी मिठाई अच्छी लगती है, but you can't eat all of them.
You want to achieve lot of things at the same time, and you start certain things with some interest in your mind, then you don't find the juice anymore and you let it go. What work satisfaction do you get? Get that image of work in your mind. Then you will stay for a longer period of time. How to have consistency in goal achieving process. Consistency in goal achieving process means very simple. You are again stuck with the goal part. Start something which you enjoy and give yourself 20% failure margin. Like I'll tell you one thing. Today is what? Saturday? Tomorrow evening I'll be reviewing my week. I generally review my week. So my week certain goals are there. Those goals, if I see if I've accomplished 70% of my goal, if your 100% goals are accomplished, then you are too pessimistic in your goal setting. It is not an inspirational goal anymore. But if you are again achieving only 10% of a goal, then you are too optimistic in your goal setting. And you are setting random goals. Don't set random goals. That's what I can tell you. I hope it will help you out.